Imagine waking up, checking the news, and realizing your entire retirement is exposed to a crumbling financial system. That's exactly what happened to John and Susan McAllister, a retired couple from Scottsdale, Arizona. They had over $517,000 tucked away in their 401k until they saw the headlines that changed everything. Markets slide as Fed signals prolonged high rates, bonds suffer worst quarter in decades, global de-dollarization accelerating. Sound familiar? It's chaos out there, and while the media dances around it, retirees like you and me, we're the ones holding the bag. But here's the twist. While markets shake, one thing has been quietly winning: gold. And that's what John and Susan figured out, just in time. They weren't looking to get rich. They just didn't want to lose everything they'd worked their whole lives for. After a quick, no-pressure educational call and a free guide that laid it all out for them, they made a simple move. They rolled over $312,400 into a Gold IRA. Today, they sleep better. They're not worried about the next rate hike, the next collapse, or the next election. They're just living their retirement on their terms. And that peace of mind? It all started with that one free guide. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Is gold really that smart? I've been in traditional markets my whole life. Totally fair. But let me show you why more and more American retirees are ditching the guessing game and hedging smart with gold. First, let's talk facts. The U.S. national debt just passed $35 trillion. The Fed keeps talking about taming inflation, but it's still eating away at your savings. Grocery prices are up, rent is up, insurance up, and even the so-called safe options like bonds, not so safe anymore. Meanwhile, gold, quietly steady. In fact, it's been one of the top performing assets of the past 24 months, beating the S&P in stretches of extreme volatility. It's not hype, it's history. Gold has outlasted every currency, every crisis, every collapse. Here's why it works. A gold IRA lets you move part of your retirement, your IRA or 401k, into physical gold. Not ETFs, not gold stocks, real allocated gold you actually own, stored in your name, in secure vaults. You still keep your existing retirement account, but now a portion of it is protected, tangible, crisis-resistant, something Washington can't print more of. And the best part? You can get started without buying a single ounce up front. Just like John and Susan did, you can get the free Gold IRA guide today. There's no cost, no obligation, and absolutely no pushy sales gimmicks. It's a one-on-one educational call designed just for you to see if gold might make sense in your retirement strategy. Because look, if you've saved $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, you owe it to yourself to at least see your options. You worked hard for your retirement. You sacrificed. You planned. And now the world is shifting fast. Don't wait for the next bank collapse, market freefall, or dollar devaluation to wake up. Take back control before someone else makes the decision for you. Click the link, get your free Gold IRA guide, and take 30 seconds to book a no-pressure call with a real expert. Just information, just protection, just peace of mind. Because in times like these, gold isn't just winning. It's protecting everything you've built.